Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Positive Vibes. In this video, I am gonna share with you my experience with Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask. Recently, I have finished this one bottle of Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask, so I thought it's the best time to share its review with all of you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, let me tell you why I chose this particular hair mask for my hairs and why I found it much better than any other hair mask available in the market. The reason behind it is this hair mask is made up of 100% natural ingredients. It is paraben and silicone free. It do not contain any sort of harsh chemicals. That's why this hair mask can be used on any type of chemically treated or colored hair. एज वी नो, जब हम अपने बालों में किसी भी टाइप का केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट कराते हैं, स्ट्रेटनिंग या रिबॉन्डिंग कराते हैं या फिर ब्लीच कराते हैं, उस दौरान ऐसे बहुत कम हेयर मास्क है मार्केट में जो कि हम यूज कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज जो हमारा केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट होता है उसका ड्यूरेशन कम होने का खतरा रहता है कि कहीं वो केमिकली जो केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट कराया है वो खराब ना चला जाए। और अगर कोई हेयर मास्क अवेलेबल होता भी है तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेंसिव होते हैं। लेकिन ये जो मामाअर्थ का आर्गन हेयर मास्क है, ये आप इजीली किसी भी टाइप के केमिकली ट्रीटेड या फिर कलर्ड हेयर पे इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। जो आपका केमिकल ट्रीटमेंट होगा वो इंटैक्ट रहेगा, उसका ड्यूरेशन सेम रहेगा, आपके हेयर्स बिल्कुल भी एडवर्सली इफेक्ट नहीं होंगे।
As I was continuously talking about that this hair mask is made up of 100% natural ingredients. So from here you can see that each ingredient present here is naturally extracted. You can also see its origin, from where it is obtained and how it helps your hairs, like aqua, milk protein, curd extract, argan oil, rosemary oil, cedarwood oil, tea tree oil. If you want to see its detail, then pause the video and read it carefully. Guys, there are only two ingredients which are synthetic in nature. These are sodium citrate and potassium sorbate. This is so because these are preservatives. As we know, we have to add preservative in any kind of product in order to increase its shelf life. So besides that, all ingredients are natural. So we can say that this argan hair mask is made up of 99% of natural ingredients. So it's very safe to use for chemically treated and colored hairs.
Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask is specially formulated to treat dry, damaged and frizzy hair. Besides that, it also helps in making your hair much stronger. Let me clear you guys, I am not talking about hair fall, as I am not experiencing any sort of hair fall problem since last 2 months, so I cannot tell you what are its effects on hair fall. I am telling you my personal experience, what changes I have observed in my hair texture after using this hair mask. My hair becomes much shinier, smoother and frizz free. On the other hand, it also make my hair shaft stronger. These are now less prone to breakage. Let me tell you guys, this is your hair root and this is the hair shaft. So what it does is, it used to make this hair shaft is stronger. Now it is less prone to breakage. I am talking about this hair shaft. So it will treat your dry, damaged and frizzy hair. Besides that, it will also make your hair much stronger. It contains natural ingredients such as argan oil. Argan oil is one of the best natural conditioner. What it does is, it used to make your hair much softer and shinier by deeply conditioning it. It used to remove all sort of dryness and frizziness from your hair naturally. It also contains rosemary oil, and rosemary oil is famous for its high nutritional value and anti-inflammatory properties. So it will soothe your hair scalp and nourishes your hair follicle. Another natural ingredient it contains is avocado oil. As I was talking earlier, it will make this hair mask makes your hair shaft stronger. This work is done by this avocado oil. This avocado oil deeply penetrates in your hair shaft. It will moisturize it and make it less prone to breakage by providing it strength. Let me show you how it looks. This is the outer packaging of this hair mask. It comes in 200 ml bottle. As you can see, argan hair mask with argan, avocado oil and milk proteins. It's for frizz-free and stronger hairs. As you can see here, it is written it is hypoallergic, so people of any hair type can use it easily. It is paraben and silicone free and contains bioactive ingredients. So guys, now let me tell you how to use this hair mask.
Firstly, part your hair into small sections. You can apply this hair mask either with your hands or brush as per your convenience. Apply this hair mask from the root of your hair to the end. Guys, make sure to apply this hair mask from your root hair to its tip so that this mask will get absorbed in your whole hair strand. Apply this hair mask for about 20 to 25 minutes and then wash it off with mild shampoo. So guys, this is the result after using this hair mask for about 2 months. I used to apply this hair mask once a week for 2 months and I have used one whole bottle of this hair mask. Let me clear you guys, you will not get instant results out of it. You have to use it continuously for about a month or 2, then only you will get desired results.
For getting best results, you can use this hair mask twice a week. So guys, I have purchased this Mamaearth Argan hair mask from Nykaa.com. I have linked it in the description box. If you have already used this argan hair mask, then share your experience with us in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Meet you next time. Take care. Bye bye.